So this is to do. If you land on Tuesday on a card, first watch my other video so you can know how to do it. Okay. So next, like when you're in a handstand, like here, you need to push both of your feet together. Okay? See, I'm still in, but I still know how to do it. So feet, kind of like that. I can do it slowly, but let me try to do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I hit 71. I was caught. Anyways, keep your feet straight in the cartwheel position. Choose 2 feet hard together. Okay, it's not gonna hurt. Okay. Oh, I tried. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm trying. See, it hurts because my hand was controlling right here and between my face. See, I didn't feel the pain on this one, which is why it hurt. On the skinny guys, I just noticed my dad's just saying I passed. So I don't know if I passed you. My mom will call my later. This. Makes reason. I'm sorry. It's okay. Don't go like that. I can still do that. I landed that. You can't tell me I didn't. I'm not sure. I'm just. Oh yeah, no. Ooh. Later, I'm gonna show you me doing a cheer dance and really does. I know to explain to do. Oh, it's called a round up. Is and just round up. And I'm teaching you how to do this next. And then in that same video, this. But anyways, bye guys.